Okay, welcome to CODJ series. Now I will explain to you how to make a simple and very simple to saving your tissue consumption. Okay, you know this one is 200 sheet and 2 ply. Each of sheet is have a 2 ply. Okay, to play, yeah. And now, how to make a simple saving your tissue consumption? Now, every we pulling one sheet of tissue, you can use it for twice, yeah. And one sheet have two ply like this, yeah. Look at that, and you can use it for one consumption, and this is to one consumption too. Okay, for one sheet you can use for two application. Okay, look at that, this one, yeah. And I putting one sheet, and look at that, it's happen to play. Okay, you can use it for one consumption, and this is to one consumption. Okay, if you think this video is useful, please share to others, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Don't forget to reuse, reduce, and recycle.